I'm launching my collection at Vijayana Studio at Banjara Hills, Hyderabad today, and looking forward to the whole collaboration. This is the first time I have come to Hyderabad, and yeah, selling obviously the first time because this is the first time I have come. The collections that I have bought predominantly over here is a combination of 5 fashion weeks, Dubai fashion weeks, and so each and every part, every ensemble is something which has gone on the ramp at an international fashion week like Dubai or London or Abu Dhabi, like that. So let's see how it works in Hyderabad, because I don't think so such stories there in Hyderabad as of now which retails garments which have gone on international ramp like Dubai or London. I'll be doing Lakme Fashion Week this season, so that collection also I'll be launching here once the fashion week is over. So every season, whatever fashion shows I do or fashion weeks I do, those collections will be seen at Hyderabad. I'll be launching them here. And yeah, hoping a lot from Hyderabad customers. I've heard Hyderabad is very, very regional and very cultural. People over here really go like traditional anarkalis, because I think they call it a city of Nawabs. So I think they have this tradition which is very beautiful and elegant, I must say that. So I think they're looking for more, like they wear more of anarkalis and all that. I have those stuff, but it is more contemporary. Like it will not have typical Indian sleeves. Even if it is a long anarkali, it will have English pigeon sleeves or a Magolatan sleeve. So that's like quite experimental. So let's see how it works. It is Indian with a little bit twist. I am targeting people, women and men, and from the age group of 20 to 50. So if you pick up any piece of mine, it will fall into that age group between 20 to 50, because I think a person when he's 20 years old start thinking and have choices. I like this, I don't like this, I want this, I don't like this. I like customers who are thinking customers, who know what they want and they go for something like that. So that's my target client. And yes, I'm targeting for more such franchisee options all over India. My next market is Delhi, which is soon coming up, maybe in the next 2 months. So maybe you will see 2 more franchisee, one in Bombay and one in Delhi more, like that. I'm planning more stores like that. My USP is very contemporary functional clothing. Something you can pick up, wear it, and maybe you might not wear it next time. You might not wear it after a year. But you wear it today and you feel like princess today. You feel in trend, you feel, wow, I'm wearing something. People are looking at me. It is not some vintage classic piece which you wear years after year. As you can see, this white dress. This might be something she might wear this season. She might not like it next season, because the gathers and all makes it very flouncy, which is very Barbie doll, which is in this season. Next season it might be sleek. So she might not wear it next season, but for this season it is in.